We, the jury, find George Zimmerman not guilty.
George Zimmerman was a free man. Behind him, his wife Shelley sobbed in relief. Prosecutors sat 10 feet away, looking dazed. Attorneys Mark O'Mara and Don West defended Zimmerman.
We are ecstatic with the results. George Zimmerman was never guilty of anything except protecting himself in self-defense.
I'm thrilled that this jury kept this tragedy from becoming a travesty.
Prosecutor Bernie De La Rionda insisted Zimmerman had profiled Trayvon Martin.
Who was following who? I mean, isn't that what this case boils down to? That was our theory. Now, we respect the jury's verdict, but really what it boiled down to is a kid minding his own business being followed by a stranger.
16 hours after deliberations began, jurors rejected the state's murder and manslaughter charges. Martin's parents, in court to hear every day of testimony, were absent for the verdict. They declined to be interviewed afterward. Tracy Martin, the teenager's father, talked to us on the eve of the trial. He said a not guilty verdict would be hard to accept.
Still going to continue to let Trayvon's voice be heard through us. We're going to try to make sure that other families don't have to go down this same road that we have to go to.
A half hour after the verdict, he reacted on Twitter. "Even though I am brokenhearted, my faith is unshattered. I will always love my baby Trey." Before the shooting, Zimmerman was studying for a career in law enforcement. That dream is over. His lawyers said he'll spend the rest of his life looking over his shoulder.
He has to be very cautious and protective of his safety because there is still a fringe element who have said, at least in tweets and everything else, that they want revenge.
After more than a year of restricted movement, Zimmerman has had his GPS monitor removed from his ankle. He can come and go as he pleases again, but Jeff, he will never have his whole life back.
Mark Strassmann, thank you very much.